In this video, we are going to study about characteristics of Java, Java environment, Java source file structure as well as compilation. Okay. So first we have to know about what do you mean by Java. So it is an programming language. So developed by the Sun Microsystem in the year 1995, and it is having one speciality that it can run in various platforms such as Windows, Mac OS and various versions of Unix. Okay, so this application, that is a Java, that is currently used in many devices, and it is used in desktop application, web application, enterprise application, mobile and embedded system, smart card, robotics and games, etc. Okay, next we have to know about Java virtual machine. So JVM is a program that provides the runtime environment necessary for the Java program to execute. So to execute a Java program, JVM provides the runtime environment. Okay, so how it provides, that is, the Java program, it is converted to Java bytecode, and using JVM the program is being executed. Okay, so Java program cannot run without JVM for the appropriate hardware and OS platform. Next, characteristics of Java. So it is platform independent, then robust, okay, characteristics of Java. So here it is platform independent. That is, it can run in any type of platform. Okay. Then robust. So it encourages error-free programming by typing strictly typed and programming runtime check. Okay, then multi-threaded, it is integrated and supported for multi-threaded programming, and it is object oriented. It can run in any it provides the most of the object oriented features. Then secure, it is more secure, that it does not harm any other system. Then it also provides a secure way to access the web application as well as the internet application. Distributed, that is, it is designed with the distributed environment, and it can be transmitted over the internet, and it is very simple, that is easy to write as well as readable, and it is easy to learn. Okay, so these are the characteristics of Java. Next one is the Java runtime environment. So that is setting up the environment for Java. Here first we have to download the Java and run the .exe file to install Java on the machine. Okay. The next we have to set up the path. Okay. So from my computer, select the properties, that environment variable, click the advanced tab and set the path by selecting the JDK files. Okay. Then the popular Java editor used are the Notepad, NetBeans and Eclipse. Okay. The next one is the Java source file structure. So here we are having part 1, so that is it includes the packages. Then part 2, that is it will be having the import files, import java.io or any utility files are imported. Then the part 3 in which you will be having the class programs. Okay. So Java source file is having the following elements: an optional package declaration. So many programs may be having and may not be having the package. It may be included or not. So an optional package declaration is there. Then next, zero or more import declaration. Import utility files or any library files can be imported, and any other declarations, that also global declaration will be available in the file. The next one, that is interface, also included here in the optional package declaration part 1. In the part 2 we will be importing the package file. Okay. Then the part 3 we will be having the important statements, all the statement related to the program. Okay. The next one is the compilation. So in order to compile the program, the Java class or bytecode are compiled to the machine code loaded into the Java virtual machine, and the compilation is done by the statement, that is Java C example program dot Java. Example program is the program name, and for compiling they are using Java C example program dot Java. For interpreting and running the program, we are using Java example program. Okay, so these are the two important statements to compile the compile and run the Java program. Then quick compilation procedure. So using Notepad or gedit or Kate Linux, we can type the program in the document and save the file as hello-world.java or any other name. Next, open the command line. Then in the terminal, type javac hello-world.java. The program will be compiled, and after compiling the program, you can run the program by using Java Hello World. Thank you.